Now it's time for part 3, the power supply unit installation. I would recommend a gold or platinum rated PSU as it will be running nearly 24/7. Generally, I prefer a modular mounting screws. You will take the extension cable and plug it in. You will probably have to wrap the cord around to make it fit. All this does is allow you to plug your power cable into the back of the computer once you're done. And that's all it takes to install the power supply. Next, we will install the RAM. Thanks for watching.